Update on this update on proposed give 1 million naira giveaway by Honorable Shina Peller, the leader of Yoruba land, where he talked about celebrating his 50th years birthday anniversary by giving out 50 million to 50 individuals. He stated that instead on May 14th, look at it there. Sorry, please. This part. Instead, on May 14th, I will support 50 Nigerians with 1 million naira each to start, grow, or save their dreams. If you like to celebrate with me, don't buy me gifts. Join me in giving. Use these people, etc. Now, going by this, there are so many Nigerians that may be qualified for this opportunity or that are willing to also participate. But unfortunately, probably they do not know how to get a script on what to say. And you don't necessarily have to say something big. Just talk about what you are doing, maybe your dream or your business that you need to grow. But I want to show you a short method of getting a script that you can usually make a video on, so that you can become a participant and fortunately and hopefully become a beneficiary. So I'll walk you through an easy way to do that. Now let's go to ChatGPT and let me show you how to do that with AI briefly. Now this is ChatGPT. Now let's prompt it and ask for a script so I can just maybe memorize it or practice it or read through it to make a short video. Now let's say, for example, let's start like this. Let's say my name is Adewale Johnson. I'll make 2 different scripts or 3. I am a fresh graduate with the idea, with the, let's say, business idea of buying and selling of, what can we write? Or let's say buying and selling of what? Let's say electronics. Okay, let's do the electronics. I would like to participate in the ongoing giveaway by Honorable Shina Peller to celebrate his 50th birthday anniversary. He intends to give 1 million naira to 50 individuals. Make a short video of 1 minute. Sorry, please. Write me a script. Write me a video script of 1 minute. that I can make to participate in the giveaway. Now let's send it and wait for it to do its thing. It's coming up. Now, good day, Honorable Shina Abiola Peller. My name is Adewale Johnson, a fresh graduate with a strong passion for entrepreneurship. I'm the founder of a growing business idea focused on the buying and selling of electronics. In today's digital world, access to reliable and affordable electronic devices is essential for education, business, and communication. My goal is to bridge this gap by supplying quality electronics to people in my community at fair prices, while also creating job opportunities in the process. However, like many young entrepreneurs, one major challenge I face is startup capital. This opportunity you are providing through your 50th birthday giveaway is not just financial support, it's a chance to turn my vision to reality. If selected, I will use the 1 million naira grant to purchase inventory, build customer trust, and scale this business into a sustainable source of income and employment. Thank you for this impactful initiative and for supporting young Nigerians like me. I look forward to making you proud. Phew, that's all. You can just have to copy this out, practice it, make a video with it, upload the hashtag, you are good to go. That is for those that are having ideas. It's even you can put just change the electronics to any business idea that you have. Now for those that already have something they are doing, you can just follow the same procedure, but instead of this you just write it that okay, you have been doing this, you have been doing that, this, and let it do it thing by itself. It will also write it for you, scale you through, put you through everything that you need to do. Now, do you know the good thing about this is even if you can't memorize it or you find it difficult to get everything, you can even be reading it. Just tell someone to hold their phone and making a video of yourself. You can be reading the script. Nobody cares if you read the script or not. What he needs is what a short video of 1 minute about what you do or what you intend to do. That's why you might be fortunate and be selected. So just try and give it a shot. Now let's do make the other video. Let's say you have been maybe you are into phone repair. Yes, let's use this method. Now alternatively, you may not even have to go through all this stress. You can just go to the updates, the information from Honorable Shina Peller's page, copy it and paste it here. Let me show you how to do that. So now this is the page. So just click on it all and copy it. Then you come back to your chat gpt, you have already copied the content, then come back to chat gpt, paste everything here, paste it here. Now below everything you have pasted, just come down and write me a script to participate in the above using the following details. My name is Adewale Johnson. I am into phone repairs. I am a native. We can just stop there. You can even you may even put your origin, your resident, whatever. But let's just stop here. My name is Adewale Johnson. I'm into phone repairs. Okay. So, any other information you want to say about yourself on the video, include it there. Let's just send it now. See. Now I've sent it. Let's wait for the outcome. Okay. Now this is it. Now you can make a video of this and you also copy everything and paste it on the video or come on it as a caption on the video. Happy New Month, sir. Good day, Honorable Shina Abiola Peller. My name is Adewale Johnson, a young Nigerian and a phone repair technician with a passion for solving problems and helping people stay connected. Every day I meet individuals whose phones are their only means of communication, business, and survival. Through my skills, I help to restore these devices and keep their lives moving. But despite my dedication, I face a major challenge: limited tools. This is exactly your selling point. Can you see it? This is exactly your what? Your selling points. This is your selling points. So, but despite my dedication, I face a major challenge: limited tools, equipment, and funds to grow my repair business. This opportunity you are given is more than just financial support, it is hope. If selected, I will use the 1 million naira to upgrade my tools, secure a better workspace, and expand my services. This will not only improve my income but also allow me to train others and create job opportunities. Thank you for choosing to celebrate your birthday by giving back and lifting others. I'm inspired by your generosity and your commitment to making a difference. God bless you, sir. That's all. Just make a video with this, upload it, and paste the same content. That's all, you are good to go. So outside this Honorable Shina Peller's giveaway, you can even be getting script video ideas. If you are the type that go on YouTube, TikTok, you upload videos, you can be getting video content ideas and the like from using this method. Just come here, script it, and prompt it whether it will give you the script, practice it with some days, upload it on TikTok, on YouTube. So with that, you'll be growing your channel, your page, and whatever gradually. So just try and participate. I wish you all the best and I pray you're selected. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and please do like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.